But news about cement companies cutting prices, of course, this is only in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Remember, the Chief Minister of HP had already approached the powers to be about how some of these companies aren't doing the right kind of business per se in prices. So it may be that which may have happened. But of course, there are a lot of other reports coming in as well about prices being raised to counter fuel costs, particularly in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The stocks have been a bit sluggish. What happens next to them? Ravi Sodha, cement analyst at Elara Capital, joins us for a quick perspective on that. Ravi, what are you making of this move that has come about? I mean, in the state of Andhra Pradesh, 20 to 25 rupees per, or rather prices being cut by 25 rupees in a 50 kg bag with immediate effect. You think this is specific to HP only, or is this the sign of things to come in the next quarter?
Well, HP had a very particular situation where only two groups were operating that comprises of Wholesome of ACC and Ambuja and Jaiprakash. So the prices in their state were way above the all India average prices. So I believe that the softening in the prices in HP is a one-off kind of an event. Secondly, even if you try to compare the nearby states, the pricing differential was very much huge, despite HP plants are enjoying the fiscal benefits. So I believe that it is unlikely that the same could be followed in other states, particularly taking into account the fact that cement industry is entering into its busy season.
So, Ravi, did I hear you say that this is a trend that could happen in the other states as well? You think price cuts would come about?
It is unlikely. Taking into account the fact that industry is entering into a busy season.
Okay, great. The other bit is, Ravi, we were talking to a few people who were saying that this quarter will be extremely good for the cement companies by virtue of the kind of volume growth that they have seen. I mean, while it is said that the wage hike, Coal India's pricing policy would increase costs, but just the volumes will take care of it. And we've seen kind of the dispatch numbers in November and December, they've been healthy. How positive or negative are you on the quarterly performance for the cement companies?
See, as far as the Coal India price impact is concerned, it is likely to be visible only in the March quarter. But as far as volumes and numbers are for Q3 are concerned, the Q3 numbers are likely to be strong for all non-south-based players, particularly because of the fact that the prices have improved significantly in Q on Q, and secondly, the fact that you had said that the volumes have been decent primarily on account of lower base last year, and increasing spending in the states of UP and Gujarat on account of free election spending by the government.
Right. What is your expectation from the kind of numbers that we've seen on the December sales, the initial reading really, and dispatches, as the top three players have reported decent numbers, and the industry is also talking about a revival in the sector?
Yeah. See, if you see, excluding South, the demand has not been a particular much of an issue. It has been the South degrowth and overcapacity that has been bringing down the industry average. So I do expect the West and particular North to report pace players to report a better numbers. But having said that, a few pockets such as Gujarat, where there has been some spending being witnessed by government projects, will witness a double-digit kind of growth in volume.
Okay, what would be your specific recommendations on either of the stocks, the big ones, Ambuja, ACC, or even some of the mid-tier players?
In our top pick as of now is Shree Cement, primarily on account of fact that there has been a softening in the petcoke price that has been witnessed in globally as well as domestically. So I believe whereas the other players are likely to be impacted by the coal price increase, the players depending upon petcoke to a great extent will be insulated from that. So that's the reason why we like Shree Cement in mid-cap, and we like UltraTech and Grasim in large-cap primarily because of the discount they are trading to Ambuja.